If you've ever had a chance to grab a bite to eat in North Carolina, then you've probably had sweet potato biscuits. For those of you who've never had that pleasure, let me share how you can make these babies right at home. All you have to do is mix together some mashed sweet potatoes, and those can be canned or freshly cooked, along with some milk, sugar, eggs, and a bit of melted butter. Okay, we set that aside for a sec while we mix together some self-rising flour, baking powder, and salt. Now we cut in some shortening using a pastry cutter, or you can use a couple of butter knives. Once the mixture is pebbly, we stir in our sweet potato mixture. All that's left to do is drop heaping spoons of this on a few baking sheets and into the oven they go. In about 15 minutes, once they rise and the tops get golden, we have the most incredible biscuits we've ever tasted. Maybe brush on some warm maple syrup or drizzle them with honey and get ready for some good old-fashioned Southern eatin'. So go online and get the recipe for our Southern sweet potato biscuits so you can experience the best of the best without leaving your house. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a down-home way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You love your biscuits.
Mm-hmm.